guys, it's Monday. Welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav. And today's video, we are going to be talking about how you can get started with affiliate marketing from scratch. Now, I know that there are tons of affiliate marketing videos out there, guys, that you can go on. But trust me, stay tuned till the very end because you will definitely get some free bonuses from me, but also a strategy, a long-term strategy that I will be posting much more about on this channel. So it's in your favor to stay till the very end. But I am not going to be like the other members who just show you a fast way of getting started and maybe making money online because it worked for them or it worked for somebody else. I'm actually going to show you 3 free traffic methods within this affiliate marketing video to get started from scratch, which I think is very, very important for anybody who's thinking of starting with this business model. Now, if you're into affiliate marketing, then I highly suggest also hit that subscribe button below and the bell notification. Why? Because every single Monday I put out affiliate marketing and network marketing videos, anything related to marketing actually on a Monday, and then I call it Monday Marketing or Marketing Monday. And then we have on Wednesday about another skill set that I personally speak about, which is trading. And then we go into the funding strategy on a Saturday. So 3 videos a week from my channel, guys. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you are interested in any of these 3 skill sets. And I hope that these 3 skill sets help you pay the way for your dreams to come true, because they are doing it for myself, and I'm sharing and documenting that journey on this channel. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I will never guarantee you any results, but what I can share with you is a journey of what works with me and some strategies that I've learned in my 8 years being online. And I hope that is sufficient for you. And obviously, if you do want to work with me, I have all the resources and all the links in the description. So feel free at any point of time when you're watching this video to click on those and go to them. Okay, so we're going to talk about 3 specific strategies within this video. Let me actually start off with saying that affiliate marketing is a great business model to have, and it's something long-term that you can actually make money online pretty much hands-free if you know what you're doing. Now, I took a long time in affiliate marketing to actually get started, and it was just the procrastination behind it. But the main skill set that we are learning with affiliate marketing, guys, is how to generate traffic, how to actually market our business or product or service in order for us to get that commission, to get that sale, and let us then scale it up from there. Okay, most of us, like myself, most of us get started online without any prior branding, without any prior knowledge, or maybe without any prior possibilities to funding to actually help you start off with paid advertising or start off with other things. So we need to know what is the first thing that I need to do in order for me to get started. So the first thing is definitely building your presence online, because a mixture of free or organic, as I call it, marketing and paid marketing is the strategy that I personally use. I like paid marketing a little bit more, but in the case of paid marketing, guys, I do have a day job. I do work. So this is why I put some of my funds from my day job into my marketing budget, and then I have a very specific strategy that I follow in order for you to scale up. And if you want that strategy, stay till the very end, because I will share it as one of the bonuses, so you'll get that strategy there. But right now, what I want to say is that it does take time and effort. So most people get started for free. So I wanted to give you guys valuable information that you can actually go ahead and practice, and I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's go ahead to my presentation that I prepared. So here we are, guys, on the presentation. I'm going to share with you free traffic training, and these skills are going to be a part of you. This is by far something that is coming from my heart, and I hope you guys get value from it. In fact, if you do, hit that like button and leave a comment below, because I appreciate the feedback that I get, and I will definitely get back to you in each and every comment below. So I hope you enjoy this training. Okay, so free traffic training that I'm going to share with you. Now, usually there is when you get started with affiliate marketing, we need to make sure that we have things set up. Now, you might be somebody who's using Facebook as a profile in terms of social media. You might be using YouTube. You might be using TikTok, Pinterest, whatever it is that you're using. One of the key elements is called, or rather, how I state it, is a profile funnel. So now a profile funnel is something that you are getting visitors or clicks or people to your profile, which is then going to be to your product or service. So it's an introduction to yourself. Remember that when we are speaking to these people, they're cold leads. They're people who Usually in the old days, we used to have cold calling, right? These are cold leads that you would have on the internet as well. So we want to make sure that we are building a relationship with them in order for us to actually convert them into buyers. The main aim of affiliate marketing is to convert those cold leads into buyers. So a profile funnel is one of the easiest ways to get set up. And I think everybody should have a profile funnel. There are some elements involved. And as I mentioned in these 3 points, setting up your profile to make sure they have all the information to opt into your main funnel. Now you need a funnel is the sales process. Okay, I'm just going to put it that way. A funnel is a sales process. So your profile funnel becomes the entry point of the entire funnel. So it's almost like the content that you have is a funnel of its own. The main funnel is the one that's selling for you, and then you have your closing and your relationship building. But the main funnel is where we need to send people to. So we need to focus on a profile funnel that directs them to that main funnel where the sale is being made, right? So it's an introduction to yourself. It's an introduction to your product or service. And you can always have the sidebar for links. I'm going to share with you in a second after I finish going through. So after I finish this presentation, I will definitely share with you a little bit more information about a profile funnel, show you how it looks. And I will use Facebook, but this is the same with Instagram. This is the same with Pinterest. This is the same with many other platforms that you're using. You can have a social profile funnel, sorry. And the sidebar is usually for links. The second type of funnel that you can have to gain free traffic is a group funnel. Now, if you guys noticed, I have a link in the description to my Facebook group, okay? The reason why I direct people from YouTube to my Facebook group is because my Facebook group is another funnel of its own. It's a content funnel. It's a relationship building funnel. It has 2 main points. The first is to create a group in the form of a funnel, as I mentioned already, okay? Where you're providing value, whether you're providing direction, and you're providing a solution. Value is basically over delivering on what you are promising. So if you know that your customer is coming to you for a mobile, what are you actually giving that customer in that mobile? Know that it is over delivering. Usually value is over delivering, and direction is where you want to take the person. You are taking them somewhere. And then the solution is obviously what kind of a solution you want to provide to this person, which is usually taking them to the sales funnel itself. Then posting in other groups. So this is your own group, okay? First is your own group. Secondly is posting in other groups to redirect them to your own group. Remember, you are driving that traffic to your own group, which then takes them to the sales process. So these are the 2 options that I suggest. Posting in other groups is a type of funnel itself, where you're answering questions, building authority, adding value with other people by adding, answering the questions that people have in there. And this kind of has a domino effect. So that person goes to your profile, maybe goes to your profile funnel, goes to the sales page, or the person adds you and then requests to be part of your Facebook group, right? So now they're going into your Facebook group and then opting in. So these are 2 methods, okay? And now I'm talking about Facebook. You can do this with LinkedIn. You can do this with Instagram. You can do this with other profiles as well, okay? And the last for me, the third method that I'm going to share with you is video marketing funnel. Now, video marketing funnel to me is the most powerful type of funnel that you can have. It basically means you are creating evergreen videos that are always ranking for you no matter what. You take the effort and the time to actually build it right now, and then you are able to have those videos working for you 24/7, building a relationship for you. Just like this video that you're watching, right? So my focus is using YouTube to rank my videos, make evergreen videos, teach you guys about it so that you're building a relationship with me with each video that I post. And now based on that, you can optimize. So your skill set here is optimizing your search ranking for that video. You are looking at more SEO, you're posting more videos about that, you're becoming the authority in that space, which is then funneling them to an opt-in page for the sales funnel process. This is what it is, okay? So as you guys can see with affiliate marketing, it's very important that you have a funnel, right? So this is just to give you guys an idea. All of these methods are non-spammy. If you use spammy ways, guys, it's just going to cause more problems than anything else. Remember, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Pinterest, your YouTube is not a billboard where you can just put offer after offer after offer after offer. It dilutes who you are. It dilutes the actual professionalism that you need to have in order to gain that trust with the person. So as I'm mentioning here, do not dilute your offer. Focus on what is the main reason. So if you're doing, I know people who are in an opportunity, for example, right? And they focus on that opportunity, put video after video after video after video. And this makes most sense. Why? Because they're building authority on that video or on that topic, just like I do as well. And I'm not diluting myself by jumping or just advertising randomly. I'm sharing the information, I'm teaching its skill sets, etc. Right? Traffic is the skill that we need to master with affiliate marketing, add value, entertainment, and content that can be related, that can be related for your audience. Okay, that they can relate to you at the end of the day. And this then will generate a lead and then ultimately a sale. But you need to have a funnel. I personally am just mentioning two tools that I use on YouTube. So TubeBuddy and vidIQ is two tools that I personally use on YouTube, but it's up to you. So I just wanted to share with you that presentation and give you an example of a profile funnel first and foremost. So my page right here is a profile funnel, right? So when people come to this page, they first see David Pinto, they'll see my names. Obviously, they'll see my content that I have here. And as you guys can see, I don't have any business related stuff. I'm literally sharing value on my page, okay? And if you scroll down here in my introduction, I have a link. If I click on this link, it takes them to everything that I have. And for example, if they want to get started with affiliate marketing, guess where they go? Boom, they will go to the affiliate marketing funnel where I get the email address and then the sales process starts. Now, if you don't have software to have this funnel, I'm going to give you guys it for free and give you a way to even earn with affiliate marketing at the end of this video. So stay tuned for that. And then you have my other offers right here. The same thing is here. The links are all here. Okay, so I'm guiding them along the way. Additionally, if they do get into my group, then it's the same structure. Okay, it's the same structure. In my group, for example, and let me go ahead and actually share this with you. In my group, I have the guide section right here, which has a 30-day project, breakthrough project, which is free training, which has affiliate marketing, free training, which has trading, which is free training, and then even more and more training. And I'm always supporting people in this group, which is why when they want to get started with affiliate marketing, it's easy for them to come here and get into the Super Funnel Hero, which is what I'm focusing on in terms of affiliate marketing. Second way, so those are the two ways. The third way is video marketing. As I mentioned, have a YouTube channel and start to generate people leads and sales through this. Obviously, somebody comes here and they click on the links, they will go to my my primary offer. Simple. Now, what is the bonus that you're getting from this? So you've learned, let me just summarize things, right? You've learned in this video how to generate traffic to your affiliate marketing business using 3 types of organic funnels. Now, I personally also purchase traffic every single week, and I have a mixture of these two in order for me to build my email list. But I want people to come to this page because firstly, I'm building my email address when they enter the email address right here. And secondly, after they enter the email address and they go to the next page, they're going to basically see the offers and the funnel that I have. Now they can get this whole system for free. If you want to get this whole system, you can get it for free. It's called the Super Funnel Hero. And let me just show you. Sorry, guys. Let me just show you. This is the whole system. You will definitely need Warrior Plus, OLSP, and so on and so forth. Steps are very simple right here. Once you get started, you can log in, create your account, log in, and step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, all here on the dashboard itself. Okay, then you have training, and you have free training right here that you can get to get started. If you're worried about, oh, David, I don't have a funnel itself, I don't have the landing pages, and how am I supposed to do it? Here we have, guys, 4 landing pages that are given to you. These are all converting landing pages. As you guys can see, I'm testing all of them. So I'm testing this one, I'm testing this one, I'm testing all of them to see which is like the best one, converting and getting me leads and sales and so on and so forth. I'm using this system as well. So if I can get results from it, and I've got sales from it, I've got multiple sales from Super Funnel Hero, and I'm definitely going to be making more sales over the next few weeks. So you will definitely see those results on this channel. But I'm just sharing with you that this funnel is available for free. So you can find it as a first link in the description. You'll find this funnel That's there. And you have training, and you have extra resources, and you know exactly where to go for traffic. You have free methods and you have pay methods all in this one funnel. So you don't need to have a software. You don't need to have anything but this in order for you to get started with affiliate marketing. How cool is that? Now, additionally, the bonus that I'm going to give you and share with you, not only there are two things that you're going to get. One is the one-on-one training with me once a month. Okay, that's 30 minutes of one-on-one training with me. I'm going to guide you, kind of help you through this whole process, set things up, and then we can have actionable accountability roles where you are accountable, I'm accountable to you, and you are accountable to me, so that we have reaching our targets that we want to reach in this next year. Okay, and then secondly, the other bonus you're going to get is my paid marketing strategy. Okay, which is very specific how you can generate the cash flow, and also how much you should be doing in order to have this balance of free and paid working for you congruently. Simple, right? These are the two bonuses that you're going to get from me personally. So how are you going to get these bonuses, guys? When you go into the super funnel, they have some offers. Okay, now the first offer that they have, which I recommend you 100% to get, first product is called the Killer Follow-Up Series. Now, this is not just swipes. This is giving you guys offers and information of products and services that work. And let me just show you, okay, because I want to show you guys what value you get. If you go to the Killer Follow-Ups, not only what are the Killer Follow-Ups, top affiliate offers, and George Wiggins is going to be adding more and more to this follow-up series, and it's only for $7. So 100% I suggest either Killer Follow-Up or anything after that. Any purchase basically in this funnel, you will get access to my bonus. Okay, so link is in the description. If you like this video, hope you enjoyed the bonus as well. I'm looking forward to working with you, but I hope you got value specifically in starting to generate leads and sales yourself. Like I said, I've shared with you 3 types of profile funnels. One is definitely a profile funnel, which you should get set up. Join my group, because additionally, I will give you in the guide section. You have also in the second guide right here, in the 4th step, you even have the tools, resources, etc. to get started for free. As additionally, you will get that in the super funnel also, free resources to get started. So either way, it's a win-win for you. So I hope to, and I look forward for you to seeing you on the inside of the super funnel hero, or even just purchasing that $7 offer. Guys, have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you next Monday for another video. Cheers.